Yeah, Taylor! Taylor, come on in here. Yeah, Taylor, where you at?
What is it, sir?
Yeah. I just got a new ringtone. I need you to call me so I can listen to it. It's really good.
That's it.
Yeah! Oh, come on, do it. It's really, really good. No, go on, do it. God, that's good. Oh, you turned it on again. I knew you'd love it.
Not me, it's an actual call.
Oh. Yellow.
John, it's me, your wife. I've been cheating on you with your best friend. Goodbye forever.
Huh. I mean, she was. Hello?
John, it's me, your doctor. I've been looking at your test results and it looks like cancer. Goodbye forever.
Hey, my aunt got cancer and she's fine now. So maybe.
John, it's me, the President of the United States. 9/11-2 happened, and everyone's blaming you. Goodbye forever.
I think I'm gonna go.
Hello? Hello? Come on, speak up. Hello? Hello? I can't hear you. Ha! Pranked you. Leave a message and I'll be right back to you.
Hello, I was just calling to inform that you won an all-expenses-paid trip to the Caribbean on a state-of-the-art cruise ship. However, because we couldn't reach you, we will be finding a replacement. Goodbye forever.
Look on the bright side. At least you have a really cool ringtone.
Yeah. It is really cool, ain't it?